black color, yellow color, red color, blue color, yellow ochre color, and green color. Kids, now you draw A and use black color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H and use yellow color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use red color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V, the numbers of V, and use blue color. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Black color, yellow color, red color, blue color, yellow ochre color, and green color. So kids, now you draw 1 and use black color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's now you draw 11, the numbers of 11, and use yellow color. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19, the numbers of 19, and use red color. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Kids, now you draw 26, the numbers of 26, and use blue color. 26, 27, 28, 29, and last you draw 30, the numbers of 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.